Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your gift card for Next. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address box that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.next.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Next, which looks like this. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, in order to redeem or use your gift card, you can easily buy a product online, and during checkout, you can choose your gift card option in order to use it online. Select a product from the main home page that you would like to purchase. Add it on your shopping bag, and once you do that, click on your shopping bag located at the upper right. In the pop-up that appears, select Checkout. You'll end up in this page over here. Choose your delivery date from the options displayed and click on Continue to Payments beneath. Now, this is your payment area. You can select your payment method, whether you'd like to pay with a credit or a debit card, PayPal, or gift card / e-voucher. In today's video, since we are using our gift card, let's select the gift card option, give it a click, and on the next page, enter your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card. After you type in your 16-digit long gift card number, head over to the next field and type in your PIN code. Type in the 4-digit PIN code available at the back of your gift card, and finally click on Add Gift Card / e-voucher button in green. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to use a gift card for Next while making a purchase online. That was quite easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.